Welcome to another episode on integration shortcut. Now this time around, if they ask you to do integrate 1 over something like this, 25 minus x squared dx. Now can you see this type of integration shortcut? Now one thing that you have to note in this shortcut is that number one is that the number that will be at the denominator, there will be a constant number at the numerator. There will be constant number at the numerator. And when you check your denominator very well, your denominator will be difference of 2 square. Difference of 2 square, but the x is going to be at the right side, because if the x is at the left side, that's another shortcut entirely. So two things you are going to note. There is a constant number at the numerator. Number two is that you have difference of 2 square at the denominator. Then at the same time, the x square will be the one that will be at the what? At the right side. So if this is the case, your answer is going to be 1 over, we're going to have 2 into brackets. This 25 is 5 square. So you just pick that 5. Then ln of 5 plus x over 5 minus x. This is the final answer. Now some of you will be surprised. How did I get 2? How did I get k? Now let's break it down. This is the general formula. It says if you want to integrate k over a square minus x squared dx, then your answer is going to be k over 2a ln of a plus x over a minus x plus c. Don't forget that c is a constant number, like you can use plus c or you use plus k. It depends on what your lecturer use in the lecture room. Now, you can use plus k or plus c or anything. That c, it means constant. But take note, one thing you have to know is that this 2, you can see that the 2 is from the formula, but I did get the 5. This 5 is from this 25, because this 25 will be 5 square. So let me break down in the next example. See this one. Integrate 4 over 9 minus x squared dx. Now, let me break it down with this second example. You are going to believe with me that this question is going to become integration of 4 all over 9 square is going to be 3 square. 9 is going to be 3 square. So if 9 is 3 square, so we have 3 square minus x square dx. Can you see now? So now picture this. Use this alongside with this formula now. So the final answer for this integration is not going to be, can you see that? Now compare this thing with this one. Compare this one with this one. When you compare, you are going to see that the final answer is k. And k is what you have at the numerator. That means we have 4 all over 2a. That's 2 into bracket. A is what we have as the number, the first number here. And what's the first number here? Which is 3. So that means we have 2 into bracket 3. Then ln into bracket a plus x. A is the number here. X is the other number. So we have 3 and we have x. So that means we have 3 plus x. Then all over 3 minus x plus c. So this is the final answer to this question. Now, if you truly like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. Just press the subscribe button for this episode, because you are going to enjoy more of our episodes as you like the video. Now, for the last aspect, or let me say, integrate. If you have 10 all over, you have 16 minus x squared dx. If we check this now, check it out very well. You are going to believe with me that this is going to be, now let me ask in the comment section, or let me do this. This is going to be, we are going to have this 16 to be 4 square. So if 16 is 4 square, this is going to be 10 all over 2 into bracket. It's 4 square. That means our a is 4. Then ln of, that means don't forget that our a is 4. That will be 4 plus x over what? Over 4 minus x plus c. That's the final. So the final answer to this is going to be 10 over what's 2 times 4? That's what? That's 8. Ln of 4 plus x over 4 minus x plus c. Then don't forget that we can truly do 10 plus 8. Or let me, sorry. We can say 2 in 8, that's 4. 2 in 10, that's 5. So this finally becomes 5 over 4. Then ln of 4 plus x over 4 minus x plus c. So this is the final answer. So please let me know in the comment section the answer to this one. Let me give you another one. So this is one. If you have integration of 2 over, let's say you have uh you have that's 36. Let me use 36. So 36 minus x squared. Let me use 36 minus x squared. 36 minus x squared dx. So let me know the answer to this in the comment section. Integration, let me repeat it. Integration of 2 all over 36 minus x squared dx. So what will be the answer to this in the comment section? I mean, Ishola David, blessing by name, popularly known as General David, yeah, the shortcut man. So please like, share, and follow for more videos. Thank you. God bless you.